Greetings from Phoenix Airport. I'm taking a flight this afternoon on a spur-of-the-moment trip to go see, or to pick up a car that I've been corresponding with someone about for a few days now. Hope it goes well. This is going to be a weird one. I'm actually shocked, but there's no wait at the boarding area on Christmas Eve. Well, here we go. I just picked this thing up. Definitely has a little more cosmetically and mechanically than I was hoping for, but it is 20 years old, so kind of take what I can get at this point. Okay, I'll do a quick walk around before I have to hit the freeway here, but it definitely looks better in pictures than it is in real life. However, I see a lot of potential here, just like I did with my 92. I think I'll be able to get it cleaned up. All right, we have liftoff. I'm headed to Phoenix in the 99 GSR. a.m. Christmas morning, and I have made it back. Car shows 136,000 miles. Good to be home. Made it home. Next to some of its companions here in the garage. So I keep making random observations here about this car, just really inconsistent things. The antenna is not going down even with the car turned off. The optional body kit is in place for the front and the sides, but the back is missing, although it has one mudguard on the left rear, but it's missing the mudguard on the right rear. These wheels, you can see I rubbed a piece there, are really bad. They just need about an hour's worth of cleaning, each and every one of them. One side of the car has this visor in place, the other side does not. Just really kind of hodgepodge of things that I need to address here. The front logo, of course, is missing. The front plate will come off because we don't do front plates in Arizona, thank goodness. Good news is the factory upgraded fog lights do work, so did confirm that just now. But yeah, it'll be an interesting couple days and weeks and months starting to sort this thing out. So glad to be home in one piece, and we'll take a closer look at it tomorrow. This was a pretty cool score. Previous owner left these down here in the compartment underneath the radio. Check that out too. The window sticker. I love that. First things first, this plate's gotta go. That plate has been on this car for a really long time. Maybe even the original to the car from 1999. I'll have to ask some California experts if a prefix 4 corresponds to model year 1999. Okay, the plates are off. I'm working on another troubleshooting now to get the radio code working. I'm gonna ditch the third key on this chain. That is actually for a club anti-theft device the car doesn't have anymore. So that's going away. Merry Christmas to me. Looks like I've been a good boy this year. Please welcome my 1999 Integra GSR. This is a 2-year-only color called Supersonic Blue. This is a California car originally purchased at Acura Santa Monica, and totally original, totally stock. You can walk around with me if you want, but it's basically just going to be a little project on the side. I have a few things I've already ordered. These wheels are really nasty, so we're going to shine those up here in the next couple weeks. Good to get it registered, and so something cool about those 1990s awkwardly bright colors, isn't it? Anyway, thanks for watching. And now we get to see in the daylight for the first time the two GSRs together, a 92 and a 99. This is really after doing just very little with the 99 other than a quick wheel and tire scrub down and coat of wax. Passenger side window visor is removed. The driver's side already didn't have one, so now we're symmetrical. I just have to put this trim back in place, but it's messy under there. I already went ahead and ordered a new, nice condition, but used owner's manual. This one was in the glove compartment and somehow got wet. It's been sitting by the fan for 2 days and the pages are still just disgustingly wet. And they're stuck together and ripped. So this is going in the garbage.